I am so excited to share with you today one of my favorite vegetables called the prickly pear cactus, known as nopal in Mexico and part of the Opuntia cactus species. This is one of the most important vegetables that the Mesoamerican peoples have given us. It has a history of over 20,000 years. It is used as a vegetable for food and for medicine. And today I've got two recipes I want to share with you about. However, first, let me talk with you a little bit about the benefits of Nopal cactus. While it's very well known in Mexico and South America, it actually is endemic here to Mexico, and it was disseminated throughout Europe after contact with the arriving Europeans. And it can be found all over the world now. It grows very easily, and it's also called the vegetable of life because as the pencas drop down off of the bush, it seeds itself by just falling into the ground and emerges yet a new plant. It's also very important for life and life-giving and health-giving because it's very rich in fiber, and it's used to reduce blood sugar in people with diabetes or who are pre-diabetic. It also is rich in vitamin C, which gives it a little bit of a lemony tang. It's a very light-tasting vegetable that you can eat cooked or raw. It's rich in C. It's also rich in manganese. Manganese is an oft-forgotten mineral that's very important for bone health, particularly in people as they age and lose bone density. Also, it reinforces the glucose-lowering benefits of the fiber. Now, I encourage you to look at your supermarket because many markets are now carrying the Nopal cactus all over the world. And you can impress your friends with some of the recipes I'm going to share with you today. As you see here, I'm going to handle it very gingerly because it has spines on it. This I just picked out of my garden. I would like to invite my good friend Juana Candela because she's going to demonstrate her preparation of these two delicious dishes. First, she's going to take the spines off the nopal. We've cut up the nopal into small cubes. Then we've chopped up some tomatoes, added just a touch of garlic, added some chopped cilantro along with some onions, and stirred it up. And now Juana, want to add a little bit more? Wonderful. Okay, thank you. And now we have a delicious nopal salad for your health and well-being and nourishment. The next recipe I want to share with you is how to cook nopales. There are so many ways to do this, but one of the most favorite is to add nopales and eggs. So Juana is going to strain some nopales that she has already parboiled along with an onion. And look at all that beautiful mucilaginous juice. Juana's adding the cooked nopales to some olive oil. And she's beaten a couple of eggs and is adding that to the dish. Oh, this looks so delicious. I cannot wait to try it. Thank you so much. Gracias. Okay. Podemos probar. Gracias, Juana. Thank you, everyone. I look forward to hearing about how you eat nopales.